Hi y'all, welcome back to From Someone's Kitchen. Come have a seat. Today we'll be making salmon tacos. One thing that I like to do is pour boiling water right over the skin, and look at that. The skin is coming right off. I didn't have to fight or struggle. I did rinse, give it a quick rinse just to make sure everything is nice and clean. Next, we are cutting the salmon into bite-sized pieces because we want them to be taco friendly. I am seasoning with garlic salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and a little Old Bay seasoning. I don't know about you, but Old Bay seasoning goes on every seafood in my household. Now, we mix it all together so every single piece is coated with that seasoning. Next, I grab my cast iron pan. If you do not have one, trust me, I'm not judging, but you should get one. Strongly encourage. I add a little garlic olive oil, and once the pan gets hot, I go ahead and put the salmon in. Now, here's the most important part when you're cooking salmon. Do not touch it. Once you put it in the pan, leave it alone. Don't poke at it. Do not flip it every 5 seconds. Let it sit so it can build a nice crust. This is where all the flavor gets in. After a couple of minutes, I flipped it over and let the other side cook. The whole thing should only take about 4 to 5 minutes. If you want it to cook more, you can always finish it in the oven. Now, while that is cooking, we're going to make a quick slaw. I added some shredded cabbage. I squeezed a half of a lemon, and then I added a taco sauce that I grabbed from the store. It makes life easier. So we mix it up real good so everything is coated. Then I added a little Old Bay in the slaw so it can give it more of a seafood taste. Then after that, it's time for you to build your taco. First goes the salmon, then the slaw right on top, and we finished it with a little cilantro. And just like that, you got yourself a taco that looks like it came from a restaurant. Take a look at that. If that doesn't make you want tacos tonight, I don't know what will. Thank you for watching From Someone's Kitchen, and I will see you next time.